Hey, what's up, guys? Ireland's got a new follow-up video to the, I don't know if you guys noticed how big Ireland's getting since the last video. He grew like 5-6 inches. I swear he's over 6 foot now.
Yeah. And
he's only 13. He's only 7th grade still. But he still loves and has passion for his RC10s. He's got a vintage LSO. He's got his B5M. He's got his short course truck. He's built, as you saw in the previous videos, the Championship 89 RC10 that he tore down and rebuilt. So today was kind of cool because we finally got an update to that build. Go ahead, tell us about it.
So yeah, we first start off by bleaching these parts white.
Yeah, with the peroxide trick, you know, with the hydrogen peroxide.
And we cut out some G10 shock towers for it for like a nice black look.
Cut them on the router,
and
which we have another router over there too.
And today actually we went to go get this powder coated.
Yeah, we have a friend who powder coats. He's got a nice shop in his garage. He's done some other stuff for us. And Ireland wanted to do it white, right? Mm-hmm. White with a gloss.
Yeah. Before it was like a matte looking white, like a satin finish.
Yeah, before he glossed it, yeah.
Mm-hmm. And I wanted to do gloss because it looked nicer. And yeah, it was just really nice. And
yeah,
we were going to go for black and white theme. It looked really nice.
Yeah, as far as the arms and towers, because of the well, I'll let you finish, but talk about the arms, the shocks, and all that stuff.
Yeah, we got a whole set of RPM arms.
RPM front and back.
Yeah.
So we decided to go with the black and white theme on the shocks too. Originally we were going to dye everything black, but you know what? The white looks good on the white with the black and white as far as the color with the contrast. So we're going to keep it just like that, you see. But we might, right? We might change shock tower to the G10, maybe. The green, the lighter green G10 to give it more of a vintage look. But Ireland really likes the black towers on here, so I think having it black white on here, that's going to be great. Mm-hmm. And then what shocks and stuff are we going to use?
Oh yeah, we're gonna have big bore shocks like these ones, and have it like on here too.
Yeah, we're going to do the same build following this one. You guys have seen the videos on that. That's the Cadillac build. This is the 89 because it has the stealth. Show it in here.
Okay.
Yeah, we rebuilt the trans too. It was in really good shape anyways, but we tore the apart, put all the brand new bearings, greased it up, and that one's going to be in here. And well, obviously you can see the stealth holes already in there too. So, but that's the Championship version. So without using the standard, those shocks that came with it, with the black top caps, whatever. We're going to convert the B44-3 to a vintage four-wheel drive with G10 natural colors and everything. So,
cool.
So yeah. So white chassis, powder coated white, black and white arms set, bulkheads, shock towers black, big bore shocks. Mm-hmm. And what are we doing for motor and speed control? You think?
It'd probably be brushless because
that stealth.
We have that stealth. Trans,
yeah.
Really a good trans, and so. Have lots of power, and I'm really excited to get it together because I've been test fitting parts on it, and it just looks amazing.
It looks great. It looks really great.
With all this on here.
Put it by the, oh yeah, it's good like that. Yeah, I think the contrast is going to be perfect. I think. Yeah, that's going to be cool. And then I think we have an extra 410R. Reedy ESC might do that one on here because I know we have a couple of them. But we kind of wanted to match that one, but that's one of those brushed ESCs, the Atsushi Haro, and those ESCs are awesome. You can find them on eBay. This guy keeps raising the price a few bucks, but like $80 or something. But we bought 4 of them, and we're gonna run the same shorty.
Yeah, I run it on my my.
Yeah, see, we got one there, and then Ireland's got one on this LSO right here. You can see it in there. And it's so small, and man. Doesn't it feel powerful. Just like a brushless? It just feels like...
It feels really good.
That's a 20... What is it? Or the Orion? Is that 27 turn on that one? In yours?
It's a mod, that's for sure.
Yeah, I know this video is not about that, but man, that ESC and that motor, he turned the travel down and the end points down because it's just ridiculous amount of torque in that thing. It feels like it's got to be faster than 13.5 if he has everything turned up on the radio.
Oh yeah, it's really, really fast.
Yeah, even though it's probably too fast for it. I want them to switch out to one of the associated motors. Or we have a race prep motor too.
Yeah, we have that. And it's just like, when you drive it down the road, it's just super stealthy, quiet. Super...
That ESC would look nice in here too, the contrast. But
it's like carbon fiber.
So we don't know if we're going to do the brush or the brushless on that. All we do know is it's definitely going to be a runner. It's going to be competitive, having all the goodies like the stealth, better arms, shock towers, and we'll put the front wheel conversion on there so we can run the regular wheels. But having those arms, it's wider anyways. But that's the update to the championship build. I know it's been some months since summer, actually, and we were just we had a lot of things going on, and Ireland's busy in sports and everything else, so we just tried to make some time to get in some of these builds because we have a few builds that we got to finish. That's an 85 right there. I mean, that one's done, but I want to swap out the ESC, and I got that sprint car that I still wanted to put a brush in there, and then put one of the Trackmaster belt drives in there, or a direct drive. And then of course we got the B44s, the B5s more over there, all associated. So we got a lot of builds that we want to finish up. So keep updated. I know I'm rambling now. Oh, show the wheels that we're going to put on here. We got these old wheels too.
Right here.
These are the front wheels we're going to use. So of course they're white rims, and they're old road dogs. I mean, these are really old. They're not cracked. And there might be a couple small cracks in there, but I like to keep with these the disc type wheels.
Yeah, they're nice. I like them.
But that's, I think we're going to run on there for now, and then we'll switch out to the newer wheels. So, but that's about it. That's it. That's update for the championship build, and we're excited to get it going. He'll start getting installed, and we'll do another video after we get some of this stuff installed, front, rear, of the bulkhead, and everything.
After all this is built.
Yeah, and. Do a follow-up. I think it's I wasn't sure if I wanted to do white for the nose piece or the motor. I mean, you can see it turned out really nice, smooth. He did a really good job, this guy. There was some secrets he used for the finish, man. It turned out really nice. So anyways, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment if you want to see anything. Just keep following. We got a lot of builds going on, and that's it. Oh, you know what else we got? We still got this one. You guys saw the video on that. We got to finish that one too. The on-road converted one with the low one. So, I mean, we just got a lot of RC10 builds.
So many.
Just nonstop. So, but thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.
Later.